What's up, operators? This is DesertFox, and I'm in Alhambra, California at the Evike.com Airsoftcon, and today we're going to be checking out the brand new, not released yet, Elite Force UMP gas blowback. Now, unfortunately, we don't have a lot of specs or information about the UMP. All we know right now is that it will be green gas powered. It comes with safe, semi, 2-round burst, and full auto. All right, enough talk. Let's shoot this bad boy. All right, 2-round burst. Now I'm going to prevent the gun from locking back to the rear. I'm going to go full auto. All right, operators, that was an exclusive look at the new Elite Force UMP gas blowback. Stay tuned to the channel for more information. As always, this is DesertFox, and I'll see you on the field. Pew, pew, pew. There's a guy here, there's a guy here, there's a guy here.
He's down, he's down!
He's down!